The flash fill command in Excel 2013 and higher is a very useful tool for getting dates to be seen as proper dates by Excel. So just to explain flash fill, under data there's a flash fill button. If you see data that for whatever reason is not in the format you want, you can click just to the right of it. So in this case I want to see 23rd of January 2014, but you'll notice that if I try and format these dates, it's not being treated as a proper date. So over here I type what I want to see for the first one, 23rd of Jan 2014, and click enter. I highlight it, I click on data and flash fill, and you'll notice that Excel immediately converts it so that it is a valid date. And you'll notice we can now change it to almost anything. Here we've got quote marks that are causing problems. Again, for flash fill we type what we want to see. So this is 30th of May 2015. I highlight it, and the shortcut for flash fill is Control E. You'll notice that it does it immediately. And here we've got dates with a full stop in it. So I can see this looks like the 1st of May 2010. So I put 1 May 2010. I highlight it and push Control E, and you'll see it immediately converts it into a valid Excel date.